Just 2 ingredients for the cheapest Christmas dinner dessert. In a saucepan, let's start by adding 400 ml of water. Once the water is hot, add 2 packages of strawberry flavored gelatin. Then mix everything together very well. After that, turn off the heat and add another 400 ml of cold water. Mix again. Next, pour all the gelatin into a container. Refrigerate until it sets. When firm, the gelatin will look like this. Now let's transfer everything to a blender. Add half a can of condensed milk on top. Blend everything thoroughly. After blending, pour the mixture into a mold of your choice. I'll grease mine with a little oil. Then refrigerate until it sets. Now folks, just unmold and enjoy it. Look how amazing this gelatin pudding is. Quick, easy, beautiful, and super cheap. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Take care. See you next time. Bye.